Yes, yeah. Thank you to Mitch. Dusty, congratulations. We're so happy for you. Dusty, syempre Dusty, ang bongga, no? Sunod-sunod yung mga milestones sa buhay mo. And gano'n ka-proud kasi ito yung first local endorser ng Arrow Magic.
Of course, for your answer your question, I'm so happy to see you here. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yeah, I'm so happy also to see you here. The last time I saw you was in Dubai.
In Dubai ba? Sa mall, nagsha-shopping ka.
Ikaw nagsha-shopping ka.
Of course, very proud na ako yung first local artist na magiging endorser na Arrow Magic Care. Yun na pinag-usapan namin a while ago. After Korea, nagkaroon sila ng Thai actor endorser. Tapos next is ako na. So, kanina sinasabi ko sa kanila na grabe, sobrang laki ng tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. And of course, ako may ibabalik ko yun. Hindi ko siya maibabalik ng basta-basta ng thank you lang. So, natuwa ako kasi sinabi nila sa akin na mag-grow ako kasama sila. And yun yung hinahanap ko sa mga brands na makukuha natin. Of course, ako kasi, if you know me, advocate ako ng wellness. Marami yung ginagawa in life. And super swak ng brand na to kasi, yun nga, nag-work ako almost every day, tapos mahilig ako sa sports. So, by that being said, madalas sumakit yung katawan ko. so, I'm happy na yung product na na-endorse ko is magagamit ko siya every day and super proud. Wala, no words can express how happy I am now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dusty. Can you speak for Miss Pauline after hearing yung sinabi ni Dusty kung gano'n siya excited na natutuwa na he's the first local endorser of Arrow Magic. Kayo, bakit po si Dusty ang naisipan mo na kunin? Kasi, syempre, nakakabilib na talagang mga malalaking celebrities from abroad yung mga natunan mo, di ba? And bakit ngayon bilang Pilipino na mismo, Filipino celebrity, and why Dusty?
Thank you. Obviously, Dustin actually represents the brand. So, sabi nga niya, diba, yung wellness, siya mismo into that. Also, we see a lot of potential kasi dito sa bata ang tawag ko, you know? Parang ang age ko, kay Dustin. And he is fit for the brand, and we know that he can uphold that standards, the kind of standard that we started. Actually, siya yung first ever local endorser, brand endorser, but we had some celebrity partners in the past naman, like Liza De Castro, Mamang Pokwan, Pinay, but first namin ever na nag-sign for brand endorser at si Dustin yun.
Yes, Ms.
Dustin's passion for wellness and commitment to living a healthy, balanced, and mindful life perfectly aligned with Arrow Magic Care. So, fit talaga siya and nakikita natin yung impact kasi ni Dustin today. He is very impactful pagdating sa mga brands. So, I've said this before that Dustin is a perfect choice for Arrow Magic Care.
Congratulations again, Dusty. Thank you, Kuya Mix.
Thank you so much, June. Up next, we have Nikki Wang from Manila Staff.